Jai Hind to all the aspirants. Today I'll be sharing my views on a very common query, that is English an important language? We being the citizens of India, where our national language is Hindi and mother tongue differ from region to region, from place to place, and it's definitely not English. So is English really an important language? The answer to this is yes, it is an important language. You being a defense aspirant, you want to join defense services or otherwise also, your job may require you to visit some country where Hindi is not known to all. At that place, in order to have a proper conversation with your colleagues, with other person, you need to have a medium, and that medium is English. Nearly everyone in this country has taken English as the medium to complete the conversation. Second question is, if it is important, then how do we improve our English? I will suggest you to start reading books, start reading newspaper in English. The second helpful thing is, you can always watch television, movies, series which are in English. We make mistake, we watch Hollywood movies. Most of us watch Hollywood movies, but we use the audio as Hindi. I think that's the big mistake. If you want to improve your English, you may always on your subtitles, but the audio should always be in English. You can always listen to the news, watch the news in English. This will help you to improve your pronunciations and the flow, how the things are brought up. I think this will be helpful. The third common question is that we know how to speak English, how to write in English, but when it comes to a conversation, we lack confidence. So in order to improve that, start talking to yourself. Stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. While going around in the market, in your home, while you're sitting free, pick up any object, pick up a chair and make a story on it. Read that story in your mind. Start speaking it. Don't sit idle, because it's not the time to sit idle. It's time for you to stand up and start doing hard work, or I'll say smart work. Whenever you are going to market, going to play, and on the way you see a vendor or you see a crowded market, start making a story on it. This will help in your PPT as well, because this will help you to increase your confidence. You'll start getting words in your head. Follow these things and you'll definitely see a change. Thank you.